guys, it's your girl, Noah Taco Bell. Do you want to talk about it? Alright, let's do it. So today I'm going to be reacting to Airplane Part 2, Japanese version. I think it's a music video. Dude, I wanted a music video ever since I heard this song. I was like, I must see a visual, and then we got the live performance, which was amazing. And now there's a music video. So definitely gotta check that out. So let's do it. Let's not waste any time. And I just took a bath, which is wonderful. I'm in my PJs because I can be, and why wouldn't I be? So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and react to this video. Let's do it. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's hit it. Beautiful, as usual. I love it. It's a lot like the last performance. Of course, their outfits are on point, per usual. Still probably my favorite choreography. It's so good. Love the aesthetic here. Get it, Joe. I'm sorry. So good right there. So good. Still aesthetic. Oh, I'm point. I love it. That look is amazing. Still raining. Hello. Hello there. I see you. I see you. Okay. Okay, I feel like I say this a lot, but that was like one of my favorite music videos of them. And what I love about it is that it was so simple, and a lot of the time I feel like they add so much, and which is amazing. Like either way is amazing. but they add, it's like so simple, and it's just like them and their dance moves, and I love how like the scenery really matched the song. I don't know, it was really good. I love it. I'm gonna watch it again and again. I say that all the time, but I really am. I really do watch them quite often, so. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully there's some ARMY out there. I love you all. Thank you all for supporting me. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any videos you think that I should react to, I will try my best to react to them. So yeah, thank you. And I will see you guys in my next video. So stay tuned. It's going to be lit. Bye. Peace out.